Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a 75% keyboard from Mechlands. This is the Vibe 75 and this is the box of it. I like the design, it's pretty modern. This keyboard comes with a display on the top right corner, which I'm gonna show you guys in a second. And it's a mechanical keyboard, hot swappable, gasket mounted with a screen. As I said, I'm going to show you the screen in a quick second. I want to show you the box. On the top right here we have some features. So special 75% mechanical keyboard, Type C, Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz wireless. So it's got a 3-mode connection. It works with 3 and 5 pin hot swappable switches, and it's got dynamic RGB backlights. The back has just some manufacturer information, and pretty much that's it. I am going to go ahead now and open the box. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna see how everything looks next to our setup. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. So we have an instruction manual right here, user guide with pictures, tells you what all the keys do, especially the FN keys, because this being a 75% keyboard, obviously you're missing some keys, but you got the FN key function right here. And by pressing certain keys plus the FN key, you'll be able to get basically the full functionality of the keyboard. So I'll suggest give this a read. It will help you also understand the capabilities of this keyboard. They also included a keycap and a switch puller, pretty basic one. This bit right here you can pull out the switches, and with this bit right here you can pull out the keycaps. And we have a braided USB Type A to USB Type C cable, which can be used for charging the keyboard, or you can use it to basically use the keyboard in wired mode. So now if we have a look at the keyboard, this is how it looks. I like the blue color scheme, it looks absolutely great. We have the display right here in the corner. If we have a look on the top, we see that we have some switches right here. So Mac and Windows works with both. So let's put it Windows. We have the USB Type C port, and we have the switch that toggles between 2.4 gigahertz wireless, USB wired and Bluetooth. With Bluetooth, I'm pretty sure you can connect it to multiple devices and you can switch between them with one single key. But again, read the guide. The keyboard is made out of plastic, but the edges, especially this bit right here, it's made out of metal. It looks like aluminum. It looks pretty slick, especially with the color scheme. On the back we have a metal plate. We have a rubber fit for basically it's gonna help the keyboard not to slip anywhere when you place it. And also we have adjustable stands with 2 levels. So we have the high level and we have the medium level. If you don't want to use it, you can use it flat. And on this one right here, so looking at the keyboard, is the top left corner where the escape is. We have the USB receiver, the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. Let me see if I can pull it out with one hand. There we go. It says Mechlands on it. Pretty slick. And pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. This is how the keyboard looks. Let's go ahead and set it up next to our setup. I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks, and maybe we'll do a sound test. We're gonna press some keys. We're gonna get as close as we can to the keyboard. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so the keyboard, it's all connected. It was very simple to connect the keyboard. All you had to do is just switch it to 2.4 gigahertz mode, as I showed you before. And I have placed the 2.4 gigahertz module into one of my empty USB Type A ports, and it works straight away. It's also super responsive, so as soon as I press the Windows key, as you can see, it's really responsive. This is how the RGB looks like. This is how the screen looks like. To control the screen, basically you press the FN key plus arrow up, down. Again, as I said, read the manual. You can change the colors from there. You can change the effects. I think you can even display a GIF right here, or your time. It's really handy. I like having a display on the keyboard to check the time from every now and then. And apart from that, the keyboard sounds really good considering being made out of plastic, but it has multiple layers of foam and other sound dampening materials. So if we can get close to the keyboard just like so and maybe do a type test. Yeah, it sounds really good for a keyboard for this price and this many functions. If you guys want to buy this keyboard, I will have in the link in the video description a link of it, and you guys can check it out. You will get the best price. It won't cost you anything more. And they have other models of keyboard. I'm gonna follow up with another review of another model from Mechlands. And pretty much that's it. It's a great keyboard. I will definitely recommend it. Again, if you want to buy it, link in the bio. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.